For like 100 years of the conservation movement, we really focused on sort of just putting lines around certain protected areas, but it's not enough. What we've learned is that that's just not how ecosystems work. Ecological systems are too big and too complex to just draw lines in parts of them and expect that to work. The elephant's a really great symbol of that. In Kenya, the population recovery is a success story, but at the same time, it's more than about just saving certain iconic species. You've got to come up with a way for humans' needs in these communities to be reconciled. You know, if the industries that are created off of natural resources don't bring a better economic future for communities than choices that degrade the land, it's over. It's done. It doesn't matter how many parks we create. We have to recognize that the economic systems that support us rely on healthy ecosystems.